The claim that China is a world unto itself is not a coincidence. The world's first half marathon with both humans and robots was held recently in China. 21 humanoid robots ran alongside humans during the Beijing half marathon. Tiangong Ultra, the robot champion this time, finished the 21-kilometer course in 2 hours and 40 minutes, which is more than twice as sluggish as the quickest human. Even less success was achieved by the other robots. Robots have participated in marathons before, but this was the first time they faced off against people over such a vast distance. The course featured uneven ground, bends, and uphill stretches. While some robots struggled from the beginning, others were able to complete the race. After falling at the starting line and lying there for a few minutes, one robot got back up and carried on with the race. The human operator of another one fell after it ran a few meters and collided with a barrier. All of the robots were manufactured by different businesses in China. They were all different sizes and forms. They ranged in height from 180 centimeters to less than 120 centimeters. One business boasted that its robot could grin and wink, and that it resembled a real woman. A number of the robots raced with sneakers on, one with boxing gloves on, and another with a crimson headband bearing the Chinese phrase, "destined to win." A few weeks prior to the race, the businesses tested their robots, and the mechanical runners showed up at the competition with their human trainers. The event was similar to an automobile race because engineering and navigation teams were required. The Beijing Humanoid Robotics Innovation Center is the creator of the winning robot, Tiangong Ultra. It took 2 hours and 40 minutes to reach the distance, whilst the fastest human took 1 hour and 2 minutes. With the remaining shares split equally between China's top humanoid producer, Ubitech, and tech behemoth Xiaomi, the state owns 43% of this innovation center. The race to develop industrial robots with many functions has now been joined by the French. Aru, a universal assistant created for technical maintenance and inspection duties in demanding industrial settings, was unveiled by Neo Robotics. Aru is a modular robot with a unique polymorphic design, combining features of a snake-like robot, a rover, and a quadruped mechanism. The robot is capable of across uneven surfaces, crawling, climbing stairs, overcoming obstacles, and even changing the shape of its body depending on the task. The robot can independently plot a route, detect malfunctions in pipelines, inspect the condition of equipment, and even collect samples. Aru operates both in fully autonomous and semi-automatic modes, with the option of remote control through a secure interface. At the Chinese SAIC GM factory, humanoid robots named Kepler have begun working, replacing humans in yet another important segment of industrial production. The robots are actively involved in the car assembly process, performing tasks such as handling parts, assembling components, and interacting with human workers. Thanks to their high precision and flexibility, they significantly improve production efficiency, enhance assembly quality, and reduce labor costs. The Kepler Forerunner K2 is a fifth-generation humanoid robot with 52 degrees of freedom, which allows it to perform complex movements and manipulations with high accuracy. Each of the robot's arms is equipped with 11 degrees of freedom and can lift loads of up to 15 kilograms, while the fingertips are fitted with tactile sensors featuring 96 contact points. For autonomous task execution, the Kepler Forerunner K2 is equipped with the Intelligent Nebula Eye system, which is responsible for object recognition, spatial orientation, and obstacle avoidance. For the first time, a humanoid robot stepped onto the stage of the legendary show. Teddy, a robot already being called the future household assistant for millions, and its name is Neo. It is not just a machine, it is a butler robot, designed to live side by side with humans. Smart, polite, adaptive, and eerily realistic. It was introduced to the public by Norwegian engineer and founder of the company 1X, Bernd Bornick, and instantly captured the attention of the entire tech industry. It is not just a machine, it is a butler robot designed to live side by side with humans. Smart, polite, adaptive, and eerily realistic. This very presentation could mark the beginning of a new era, where humans and robots will not be competitors, but partners. The Shenzhen-based company iRobotics has introduced its next-generation humanoid robot named Alphabet 2. The robot features a unique design with a movable waist and legs, allowing it to adjust its working height from 0 to 2.4 meters. Thanks to its precise force feedback system, the robot is capable of performing tasks that require both strength and delicacy. It can adapt to various environments and carry out a wide range of tasks, from preparing traditional Chinese writing instruments to interacting with users through facial expression recognition. In the future, Alphabet 2 will be used in industrial sorting, inspection, and assembly, as well as for household tasks, such as elderly care and assistance with domestic chores. iRobotics plans to scale up production, aiming to release 10,000 units of the robot by the year 2028. Chinese engineers never cease to amaze. Recently, the company Fourier Intelligence introduced its new humanoid robot called N1. This robot is standing 1 meter 30 centimeters tall and weighing 38 kilograms and was developed with a focus on openness and accessibility. N1 is built on a lightweight aluminum and plastic frame, is capable of operating for more than 2 hours without recharging, and can reach speeds of up to 3.5 meters per second. Even now, the N1 is demonstrating impressive abilities. The robot is able to walk confidently, maneuver through space, stand up after falling, and maintain balance when exposed to external forces. Thanks to its powerful control system and visual information processing, it can recognize objects, navigate its surroundings, and interact with both items and people. Additionally, the engineers showed how N1 can play football by tracking the ball, coordinating its body and leg motions, and making decisions in real time. This video shows Cosmo, one of the most peculiar robots, taking his first steps. It is a robot with personality, inertia, and a bright future in film, not merely an experimental platform. This exact robot has previously participated in the production of the feature film The Electric State, where it was incorporated into a futuristic setting that balanced fact and fiction. During its initial testing, Cosmo improved its balance and how to traverse places where other robots would falter. Its gait is not clumsy but eerily natural. Although it cannot yet speak or carry trays, prototypes like this are becoming the foundation for the robots of the future, the ones that will be used in movies, on battlefields, in rescue missions, and even in space. Interestingly, Cosmo did not just appear on camera. Cosmo was fully included into the storyline for a movie in which technology and reality blended into one image. It moved in real time. It was not animated. It engaged with live performers on the set, explored the set, and everything you see in scenes that feature it was recorded on camera rather than produced on a computer. Which robot from this video did you like best? Let us know in the comments. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you liked this video. Until we meet again.